Welcome back to Dharman 10x channel. Please like and share. Today we are going to discuss about uh, total productive maintenance, direct benefits and indirect benefits, and 8 TPM pillars in details.
Direct benefits. It reduces reduction of defects, interruptions and waste, increase of productivity and running times, lower cost of maintenance and production. It improved control of maintenance costs, less time for setup and adjustment of facilities. Machines can be operated and maintained more easily. Improvement of standards for job safety and process reliability. Higher customer satisfaction, improved delivery status results. So these are the direct benefits of TPM. Now we can discuss about indirect benefits of TPM. Increase of employees' motivation and satisfaction. Varied and challenging work. Sustainment of a clean, structured and attractive workplace. Reaching goals in teamwork. Exchange of knowledge and experience. Higher qualification through education and trainings. Maintenance measures can be exercised by the operator itself. Employees feels responsible for avoiding mistakes at his machine. More participation and voice for employees. So these are the benefits of TPM, direct benefits, indirect benefits. Now
Question number 1. Benefits: increase of employee motivation and satisfaction, challenging work and reaching goals in teamwork. Are these benefits direct or indirect benefits? Option A, direct benefits. Option B, indirect benefits. Option C, cannot say anything. Please leave your comment below. We will check and reply answer.
we will talk about 8 pillars of TPM. There are 8 pillars are continuous improvements, autonomous maintenance, third pillar preventive maintenance, fourth pillar training and education, and fifth pillar is startup monitoring, sixth pillar is quality management, seventh pillar is TPM in administration, and eighth pillar is safety and health at work. So these are the 8 pillars of TPM, total productive maintenance. So if we implement this TPM, we will get good result: zero breakdowns, zero defects and zero accidents and good 5 years.
Question 2. How many pillars are available in TPM? Option A 8, option B 6, option C 7. Please leave your comment below. We will check and reply.
In next session, we will discuss about each pillar detailed description.
Please like and share the channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and like and share and comment below. If you have any questions, we will check and reply. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye.